The headquarters of Guangdong Foshan Cayoe Building Materials Co., Limited, is located in Foshan, Guangdong, known as the capital of aluminum materials. We are an all-aluminum application service provider that integrates research and development, design, production, sales, and technical services. Our company has strong capabilities, covering a total area of over 20,000 square meters, with over 100 employees, including more than 20 senior engineers and technical personnel. Our annual production capacity exceeds 30,000 tons. The company has 5 aluminum extrusion production lines, 2,000-ton spot warehouse, outdoor construction product processing plant, aiming to drive positive production, expansion through market expansion, optimize regional layout, build a global marketing network. You can purchase all the necessary items for production in our one-stop shop. We not only provide aluminum alloy raw materials, but also complete production equipment and hardware accessories. At the same time, we provide technical support to help overseas processing plants understand products and manufacture them. Our product line mainly focuses on outdoor sunshade-related products, including aluminum alloy sunrooms, aluminum alloy pergola patio, aluminum alloy sunshade flower rack or grape rack, aluminum alloy quick installation fences, aluminum alloy insulated roof panels, and other related outdoor series products. Consult us for more product information. Also, welcome to visit our factory. Looking forward to meeting you.